Why automate routine emails?
Automating routine emails saves you time, minimizes errors, and ensures timely communication. Instead of manually writing the same messages again and again, templates and scheduling tools make the process efficient and consistent. Whether it's sending weekly updates, appointment reminders, or status reports, email automation helps you focus on high-priority tasks.
Getting started with email templates.
Most email platforms offer easy ways to create and reuse templates. In Gmail, you can enable templates in Settings, then save commonly used email drafts for later. Microsoft Outlook also features quick parts and templates for fast insertion. Using templates ensures your messages are clear, professional, and always ready when you need them.
Scheduling emails in your inbox.
Built-in schedulers let you plan emails for the perfect time. Both Gmail and Outlook include a schedule send option, letting you write your message now and select the exact future moment for delivery. This is perfect for sending reminders, follow-ups, or messages across different time zones, all without needing to be online.
Level up with third-party tools.
The third-party tools can provide advanced automation for your inbox. Services like Boomerang, MailButler, and others offer features such as recurring email scheduling, follow-up reminders, and workflow automations. These tools integrate with popular email services to further streamline repetitive messaging tasks.
Tips for successful email automation.
Test your templates and schedules before relying on them fully. Make sure your email templates are clear, up-to-date, and personalize them where possible. Double-check scheduled send times for accuracy. Finally, review your automation settings periodically to keep everything relevant and error-free. With a few habits, automated emails become a powerful productivity boost.